Welcome to homework.
Hello, everyone. Today I'll be helping you with the 44th problem of the chapter 12 problem set. And so this question is asking, construct a representation showing the connection between the process of meiosis and the transmission of 6 possible phenotypes from parents to the F2 offspring. The phenotypes are labeled A, small a, big B, small b, and big C and small c. Expression of each phenotype is controlled by a separate Mendelian gene, so they're all separate. Your representation should show the proportion of every possible combination of phenotypes. So basically, how I broke this down is you're going to have A, which is dominant, and then small a, which is recessive. Then you're going to have big B, dominant, small b, recessive. Then you're going to have big C, dominant, small c, recessive. So how I broke this down is you're going to have all the possible phenotypes. So how I like to do it, you're going to have 4 big A's, so you could have 4 possibilities. And then you're going to have 4 more possibilities of these ones because there can't be repeating ones, and it doesn't matter. So then you're going to have big B, big C, big B, little c, and then you're going to have small b, big C, small b, little c. So that is how I specifically broke it down. And then I do the same thing for these ones. And then, small b, little c, big C, small c, big C. And then these are all of the possible ones. So there's eight ways that it could come out. So, and then when it comes to meiosis, what they're trying to talk about is basically, so say you had the male gamete, and then you had the female one, but the female one's going to be a little different. So you're going to have, so say for the female, you had little a, little b, then you had big C, then you had the dad, which is going to be big A, little b, and then little c. And then so this one's going to go through meiosis, and then they're going to copy. So these ones will copy over in prophase 1. And then after they go through it, they're going to have big A, big C, and then they're going to have big A, big C, and then they're going to go again, and then there's going to be 4 of them, and then it's just going to be the same as these ones. But anyways, basically what's going to happen is they're going to combine, and then it's going to be big A, small c. Once they combine, and then it'll be little b, and then big C, little c. And so basically what will show up is A, B, and C. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.